How to make any man fall in love with you. 10 Steps to his heart. Hey, and welcome back to a new video from the Life School YouTube channel. When it comes to matters of the heart, understanding how to connect with a man is crucial for building and maintaining a healthy, long-lasting relationship. Here are 10 steps to a man's heart. 1. Show interest in what he does. Showing interest in a man's hobbies, work, and passions is an excellent way to connect with him. By asking questions and engaging in conversation about his interests, you are showing that his passions are important to you. Not only will you gain more insight into his life, but he'll appreciate your curiosity and enthusiasm. 2. Listen more than you talk. Being able to listen intently to someone is a great way to connect with them. Listening more than you talk shows that you are genuinely interested in what your partner has to say. By taking the time to truly listen to what he's saying, you are showing that what he says matters to you. 3. Show appreciation. Showing gratitude for your partner is a great way to reinforce your bond with him. Showing appreciation for even small gestures can go a long way in strengthening your relationship. Taking the time to say thank you or surprising him with a small gift or gesture of appreciation can help you form an even deeper connection. 4. Respect his boundaries. Everyone has boundaries, and it is important in any relationship to respect them. If you show respect for his boundaries, he will feel more comfortable opening up to you. Make sure to communicate with him about what is and is not acceptable, and let him know that you appreciate his honesty. 5. Be kind. Kindness is one of the most important things in any relationship. Make sure to be considerate of your partner's feelings, and try to avoid being too critical. By always treating him with kindness and respect, you'll be creating an environment where he feels safe and secure. 6. Communicate clearly. Clear communication is key to any healthy relationship. Make sure you're always honest and open in your communication with him. When you express your needs, be clear and concise so that there's no confusion. A lack of communication can often lead to misunderstandings, so it is important to always communicate honestly and effectively. 7. Show support. One of the best ways to connect with a man is by showing support for his ambitions and dreams. Make sure that you're always there to listen and to offer genuine encouragement. By being a supportive partner, you'll be helping him achieve his goals, and you'll be building a deeper bond as well. 8. Be affectionate. Physical gestures like hugs, kisses, and hand-holding can go a long way in making a man feel loved and appreciated. Men want to be physically close to the person they care about, so don't be afraid to show him some affection. When he sees that you're comfortable being close to him, he will feel more connected to you. 9. Build trust. Trust is one of the most important aspects of any healthy relationship. Be reliable, keep your promises, and be honest. When he knows that he can trust you, he will feel safe and secure in your relationship. 10. Show love. Last but not the least, show him that you love him. Say "I love you" often and show it through your actions. Remember, these are just general tips, and every person and relationship is unique. It's important to communicate with your partner and find out what they need and want from the relationship. With time, effort, and the right approach, you can win a man's heart and build a happy, fulfilling relationship. If you like this video, share with friends and family. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.